Okay guys, it's our next part of this vlog, and in this vlog I will tell you about the many things. As I was showing you, here is a from where this is the Manchurian Chowmin, and Chacha ji hang
But
by
we don't have money, we can't eat that.
Only we are just funning
Only
and we are just kidding.
Only we are looking. Only
I-
we are taking
Yeah, of
a
course.
test by online.
Online, yeah,
Not
of course.
offline.
Only we are just testing our inside, not
Yeah,
outside,
not
because we
outside.
don't have money and we are just looking here and there, and we are just trying to search the people who will communicate with us in English language.
Right now we are searching
And
1%.
here is a few. I want to show you.
There is some
They are
game.
jumping and they are playing the game. In our age, when we were in their age, we were also playing this game. And right now they was playing. Hello guys. Are you fine? Do you like that?
They don't want
Great.
to talk, they are not listening.
They are not
mad, we are
understanding
also
English
mad.
language.
No one is good.
Wow, that's fast. That's fantastic. And Hariom, can you buy this for your?
Yeah, wait. I have a money, 500. 500 money I have. Wait, I'm showing you 500 money I have.
Of
Let's
course.
see. Here is a 5 money. I will add here.
buy
2 zeros and it will be
buy
500.
buy the help of this money from your ex, something
I
you can
think
buy.
I can't buy anything.
Ask him something. Can you buy that? Why it's a 200 rupees.
200 rupees.
Okay, that's great. And here is my friend Golu, Mr. Golu. He is very Golu. He is very fantastic, my friend. It's a jigri yaar, and they are also the both of friends. And right now we are just going.
But that person is not.
I think you are searching
Yeah,
someone.
I'm also searching.
You are
I'm
searching.
also searching.
He is busy right now. He is also my friend, and he is busy in talking in the which matter? Can you tell me?
About Rangdari.
Not Rangdari.
Come here.
He is a very aggressive person. Okay. Ayush, come. Here's Ayush, come fast. I would like to talk here, Ayush and Azad. They are from my coaching student. Azad, come. So, what are you feeling? How are you feeling, guys? क्या लग रहा है? Happy. कैसा happy? थोड़ा दूर रहेंगे तो कैमरा में अच्छा आएंगे आप. कैसा लग रहा है मेले में आके? मजा आ रहा है, एकदम मजा. Enjoy कर रहे हैं? Okay, just walk. We are just going to there. Okay. Oh my God! Here is a nothing. What are you just buying from here?
He is purchasing
Hey,
something.
wait.
Yes, I am purchasing something.
What are you purchasing? Hey, wait. Let me talk to him.
I don't know what is the name of that.
Okay, Petha. You are Agra's Petha.
Yeah.
Okay, so can you give us?
Yeah, we are hungry.
We are hungry. We don't have money. First thing.
Hey, bro.
Can you give us?
Can you give us?
Really,
We are hungry. Okay, we are.
Really. Okay, give me now. Now we are going. Hey, come. What? No, I will not go anything. Okay. There is a lots of girls and boys,
And now we
there
are
is a
searching
new.
one person. That name is Mr. Vivek Yadav. Where is he? He is my guru, but he is not meeting me.
Here is a Dr. Saab, and Dr. Saab is going. But right now he is a takla boy. Okay. The next, they are just making a lots of things. Guys, just उड़ा
And the
देंगे.
Bhopa is shouting more and more.
They will udaing us, guys. And here's the next jumping tool. And let me show there. I want to just show you from here. The boys are just jumping a lot. Don't drink like that. Drink because there is a lots of makhi and madmakhi. You can just look here. And Hariom come. Yes. What do you want to say to them?
They are mad. We are also mad.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Hello. As you can see, no one is listening. They are mad.
They are no. Actually,
Whatever I will see, they are not understanding.
Actually, you know, they are just talking. Wow, that's great, Pratik. He is from my coaching student, but he is not coming outside.
Honor is breaking you through.
Okay, guys, he is a Divyanshu. What did you eat, guys? What were you doing there? You were jumping. Why? Kyo? How many rupees have you given him?
Interesting.
Oh, interesting. No, I am asking how many money you had given him.
Interesting game.
Yeah, that's interesting. I'm understanding. How much rupees or how many rupees you have given him? 10 rupees.
Only 10
In 10 rupees, how many minutes?
5.
5 minutes. That's great. Just great and enjoy. And Divyansu, what did you eat? What did you eat? And the guys, next one we want to see here. There are lots of gompu.
Now I have a 5 rupees. I'm just going to purchase one ice cream. I will see. They will
No, you will not purchase ice cream. you will purchase here from something to us. And here is my friend Shivam. It also Jigri here. They are bhagging. Okay. And let me just show you my face from here. What is the Hulia right now? Right now, my. And okay, Mister, can you come here? Because his eyes is red. That's why he is unable to talk. Because his English is very fantastic. There is a Suraj. He is beside there. He is doing like that, guys. So you know he is just going to buy in 5 rupees anything. Can you buy, guys? Buy.
Yeah, I can buy. I have 5 rupees. I will add in 5 rupees 20. It will be 500.
Okay, just tell them. Just tell the shopkeepers.
Yeah. No.
Yes. Like this. You as you told me na. You have 5 rupees and you will just join. Hey, talk. In 5 rupees.
Rubber.
Hey, in 5 rupees, what will you?
5 rupees only. There is rubber.
Only rubber?
Yeah.
But you were talking like that you will just add the 20 here. Just you add and just make this 5 rupees in 500. Convert first of all this money in 500. Can you convert it?
Let's convert next.
No, what? Not next shop.
Buy the.
He can
I
convert.
don't want.
He can convert. I am saying. He can convert.
Cannot convert.
First you ask. First you talk. Why not talking?
No. If I will talk them, then they will be in angry mood. I
No,
know that.
they will not
He's
be in angry mood.
He is a shopkeeper, and now he's a more.
Trustless. Oh, that's why. Okay, that's why you don't want to just disturb them. Okay, that's great. Now, guys, I'm just going to show you my gangster brothers, and they are like that. They are making the gang. And right now we are just searching. I am searching my Gurudev, and suddenly I think he is coming right now. So right now I will ask to him few questions. So hello Gurudev. Hey Bhopa, go na fast. And he is my trainer, English trainer. Here is Azanin, and they are buying the tools, something. And sir, what did you feel? And here is a Suhani. Where are you going, Suhani? Okay, I just didn't get. I just captured you. Okay, okay, sir. What did you feel? What did you feel after just making? Sorry, Miss. How are you feeling right now?
You are asking to me.
Yeah, of course, I'm asking to you.
What about you are asking?
Yeah.
What about you are asking?
I'm asking, what did you feel after walking here and there? How are you feeling?
Each and everything only just for a little child.
Yeah.
There is nothing is for the people who are very professional. If you will look like the chowmein, it is not very hygienic.
Yeah.
It is unhygienic. Okay?
Yeah.
The fast food, it is not very okay. So this fair, this mela, if you will talk about, this is just for little child. The Bhopa is a very famous here.
Very famous.
Okay.
Yeah,
And fruits only you can just purchase.
Yeah.
If you want to just eat any spicy thing, so it is unhygienic. It is not for healthy.
Okay. So right now, my next question is to you. Suppose that if you are a child, then how is your feeling that time? If you are a child, in your childhood.
If you will ask about my feeling,
Yeah.
when I'm just like a little child.
Yeah.
So my experience really it was a very great and a very pleasant because you know that from the childhood these kinds of experience it is really very
enjoyable, yeah, of course.
Whenever we are just looking like that somewhere is a fair.
Yeah.
So it is very exciting for us.
Yes, of
But
course.
if it is in pocket money then.
Yeah. And
If in pocket there is money then. If you
Oh.
don't have money then it is very sad for you.
yeah,
So what is famous in Mela? In fair, the Bhopa.
the Bhopa oil is famous. Okay, so I just talked to my trainer, and right now I'm just going to show you here the next thing. And she is Zainin. She is asking her bangles. He is my coaching student also. Arpit or Rohit?
What are you doing here?
Just kill him. Kill him right now.
What are you doing?
Hey, beat him like that. Beat him. Hey, wait. Beat him now. I will beat you. I will kill you. Say to him. Okay, you are Arpit? Okay, that's great. Okay, that's great. We are just here. Come here. We are just enjoying, okay? You are my...
Oh my God.
Silent. You cannot silent, huh? So, you are my coaching student. That's why we talk to you. Don't take on your thoughts, okay? And enjoy. Of course. Today is holiday. And guys, he is just making the... What? Water balls. Full ki pani.
That is my favorite thing.
Wow, यार they are eating very charming. गजब तक खा रहे हैं लोग, चबा के कचर खा रहे हैं सब. And back of me, you can look. And there is a lots of persons. And Hariom, you come here right now. And here is Hariom again. He came. So what do you think about this fair?
About this, it is very fantastic.
Fantastic.
For me,
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I said it's fantastic.
it is only
Without
fantastic.
any reason?
Yeah, without any reason. I don't
How?
have money. I don't want to. Let's sit
How?
down.
Hey, Anuj.
Yeah.
Anuj, there is-
Why are you here? Why are you here?
I am in Mela, and what can you do? Speak. What can you do?
Why are you here?
Because of Mela.
You tell me why you are here.
Because of Mela.
Why you are here?
Because of Mela.
I am selling Mela.
You are selling Mela. Okay, you are selling Mela. Whatever you will say, it will be right. Whatever in English language, whatever you will say, it will be right.
He's
If-
selling
if-
Mela. He's not selling,
if-
he's selling.
If I will say what is your name, if you will say, if I will say what is your name, if you will say my name is Pakistan, it will be also right. In English.
My name is
Speak loudly, what is your name?
My name is Priyanshu Gautam.
Okay, Priyanshu. Do you study in a Fusion Institute?
Yes.
Why do you study in Fusion Institute?
Because I want to learn English.
Speak. Why?
I want to learn English.
Okay, you want to learn English language. That's why you are studying in Fusion Institute. That's a great option. Okay, now we are going ahead.
And I think we are here on the corner of Mela or fair. And the next thing I would like to show you. Here is a Yadav screen from I think Faluda. The really Faluda. Yes, guys, how are you? Here is a Faluda and the next thing is here. There is a lots of shop and we are
more shop here. That is
uh,
ice cream shop.
ice cream and I think water balls
Yeah, I think water
and
balls
I think
and-
balloons.
Yeah.
And the fourth one is I think the toys. Yeah? Really? Hariom. Right now he is going to guys purchase something. What will you purchase?
Balloons.
Balloons. Why?
Only one balloon I will purchase.
Why? Why?
Because I want to do this. I'm a child.
Ah, you are child.
Yeah.
Show me your bag.
You want to see that?
Here is a police uncle. He is just nibhaying his duty. And right now I think Mela is enough from here. And the next thing you can look here. We are at the corner and some people are coming and going. And here is Ayush is coming. Hello Ayush. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay, so I think I listened you were sick. That's why you are not coming coaching?
Yes.
Okay, right now in fair you are just going. Okay, what did you eat? What did you eat? You ate fulki pani?
Yes.
Okay, right now where are you going? You are going market for what? For buy something? Something or you will buy for at your home or?
Yes.
Okay, so what will you buy? Jalebi? Banana? What? What will you buy? We are, you know, it is our Scorpio. It is our, no? Of course. It is my Scorpio, you don't know? Really? Yes, it is our or not. It is our Scorpio. You can go and sit, you can drive it. Okay? Okay, that's great. Nice to meet you. Go and just enjoy your fair. So right now guys, he has bought the new balloon. Welcome to 2026. But it didn't brush guys. I just tried, but it didn't brush. And where is Suraj? Suraj, what are you buying? I know you will do like that only gangster thing.
He's buying that. For his girlfriend. For his girlfriend.
That is the for boys. That is the for babies. Not for the.
I know very well about that. You don't know.
You have experience?
What?
You have experience?
Yeah, I have experience.
Which experience do you have? Every day.
Yeah.
Really?
I have.
How can you say every day you have?
Because I gave to my.
Hey, don't touch again and again.
You have 10 rupees.
Right now here is Hariom. Now I will ask him a question. The question will be fantastic. Hariom, you know, you are looking like Lali.
Oh my God! Thank you.
Really?
Oh, welcome.
Arre, what a facial expression you have, guys.
I'm very happy. You don't know. You can't guess.
Why?
Because
I can't guess. You have balloon.
Yeah, that's why.
Where will you fix it?
I will fix it.
Where? Also.
For my.
What?
Yeah.
Oh my God! What did you say, Hariom? I'll just upload it.
No, I don't have any kinds of problem. You can upload it.
Okay, that's great.
No.
He is saying, may I call to her but he is stopping. Wow, here is the song is going on Fulki Pani.
Song is running off Sanjay Advansi.
Yeah, of course. And the next one is we are just returning again from there, and here my villagers are going. And right now, what do you have to do, Hariom, in returning time? Right now, he's going in a very different mood. Yes, Hariom. Really, Hariom. Listen me. Why are you laughing a lot? What was the reason?
No. I am laughing a lot because I have balloon.
Then I can press.
All matter for the balloon.
I can here is a going Vishal, great. And the next time, they are just making something. They are bothering. And here is going the policeman. I think with inspector, you can look them. And they just suddenly they move their face when I just moved my camera there. And right now, yes, go na, go, Hariom, go na. Go and look friend. Hey भाई, और भाई बढ़िया, बस घूमते रहिए, मस्त मजा लेते रहिए. And the next one, Hariom is doing. Hariom, can you give me? I will just make it like a talwar like that. Give me. Just leave it. You can look and you can just make the video. Guys, you know, I can. जो भाई, अबे पकड़ भाई.
Now it is as like.
You can look at it. It's Hariom balloon. Just come. Just follow me. Follow me, guys. Follow me. I will just show you different kinds of fire. Sunday.
Punit, what will you do with that balloon? What will you do with that balloon?
My villagers gangster. My gangster. And here is the next gangster. Go past. You know, guys, what is my aura? I'm just beating like gangster.
Yeah, that is your aura. I know that. But one thing, Punit, I want to say, you are looking like Hrithik Roshan. Really?
From bottom of my heart.
Yeah, your bicep, it is very, very big. Your thighs, it is very.
My thigh like
Very. Poonam ma'am is calling.
Hey, okay, no problem. Just make the vlog.
Where are you going? It is real or duplicate?
Hey, it is real.
No, it is good.
Like you not, this is the duplicate. Like you, this is not duplicate.
Yeah, this is duplicate.
I know that. That's why I'm saying.
I know that this is duplicate. This price is 5.
Okay, just come. Hariom, just come fast. Come fast. Now guys, you can look the हालात आप घुम्बारा, और इस हालात में मैं घुम्बारों को कहीं नहीं छोड़ सकता, और इसको मैं अपने जेब में रख सकता हूँ, ठीक है? I will keep it in my pocket. And just come. I will show you the next personality. They are very fantabulous looking, very charming, outstanding. Yes. Anything else, guys? Hariom, anything else we want to speak about this fair? Hey guys, hello. They are going from Para or Premapur, yeah. Yes.
Can I speak?
Now Guruji asking the mobile, and we are just going with mobile.
Can I speak that thing?
Yes.
I love you, everyone.
Yeah, of course, I love you, everyone also. Everyone, hey, hello, in fair.
Yeah.
He's hey, you know what is he saying? He's saying I love you, everyone. Everyone is saying.
Yeah.
Why?
I
He said.
Give me one example. I love everyone else like you.
Everyone is saying that, Natik. He's saying everyone.
Give me one example.
Hey, give him one example. Mr. Bhotik.
Example is he.
He is by guys. He's Apache. So what are you doing in fair? Masti.
Yes.
Enjoy, kidding. Yeah, but slowly, yeah,
My
slowly.
brakes are failed, that's why
Your brakes are failed.
Calling.
Okay. And guys, in my blog, there is lots of person.
Asking the phone.
We are going fast, and we are just making, and we are just enjoying. Shivam is coming again.